So I'm out here in the middle of the woods, sitting on an old log, and I'm enjoying myself, but I have to think. You ever watch the news and they're like, they always started out with, the images you're about to see are disturbing. And then they show the story and it shows a fuzzed out picture or a blacked out picture. Well, that ain't fucking disturbing. It's just a fuzzed out video. They could have just wasted space, right? I just wonder how many people are actually that weak. Are we really that weak? I think I'm guessing that there's just so many weak people that they can't handle or stomach that. Kind of understand why soldiers are depressed when they come home after what they've seen. And hear these people fighting about stupid shit and talking about stupid shit. And, oh, this could be disturbing. I know some people that have seen some really disturbing stuff, and trust me, what we see on the news, a fuzzy picture or a blacked out picture, isn't that fucking disturbing. It goes on a regular basis. It's even going on over there with those coyotes. I don't know what's going on, but something's dying in the woods right now. Anyway, you guys have a great night.